Hello guys and welcome to my jungle studio, and today I'm going to test this new Wacom One tablet for you. It's the newest release from Wacom and I was really curious to try it, and the people from Wacom have actually sent this to me to test it out for you. So let's see what it can do. I'm so excited. Small box in the box. Okay, I plugged in all the cables. It was one HDMI and one USB and the power plug, and now it's turned on. And I turn it on here. Okay, I have my Wacom set up now. I have installed the driver and checked that all the settings work, and I also checked that it works with Photoshop. So now let's just give it a test ride, and I will try to draw something with it, and we'll see how it turns out. So, after giving it a proper test drive, you can see the result here. I think I really like it. Especially younger me would have loved it. Like, I remember starting out as an artist and trying to get into digital art, and I had a really crappy tablet because it was everything I could afford. And nowadays there are many options, but most of them are really expensive. And this one is just 400 euros right now. I really like how the screen feels. The pressure sensitivity is great. It has 4,000 so-and-so pressure levels, which is great for a 400 euro display tablet. The only thing I'm missing is the neat buttons on the side that Cintiqs and mobile studios have, because I'm just super used to them. But other than that, I think it's a really great product, and you just have to use it with your keyboard or like with one of those small keyboards for your shortcuts if you're a person who uses a lot of shortcuts. But when I remember when I started out drawing, there was nothing this affordable and this great to work with. And it also has a function to be used with Android phones. And if you have a phone that supports this function, you can actually connect it to your phone and use it to make notes or to draw little drawings on your phone. So you don't even need to connect it to your computer. But before you get it, you need to check out if it actually works with your phone, because right now it doesn't support all the phone models out there. So it's a neat feature, but it's like not there yet. It's still in development. But for your computer or your laptop or whatever, this is an amazing drawing screen tablet. So, and it's very, very affordable. So I can really recommend it. It's nice. And thank you very much to Wacom for making it possible for me to test this and to show it to you.